And thank your neighbor and tell him or her. Do not stay in my name. You read there. As others speak. You also sing the way seated in the promised land.
In the promised land. That in the promised land.
These shoes are
they
should not go to the promised land. No, just wait a moment to dim the church. It is just helping you. Guide you to the promised land. When the redeemed church reaches, you will see the glory of God. Bible tells us that Lord, the latter glory of the church is big greater than